Food.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt tastes especially good when mixed with fruit.
Cheese.
Cheese.
The rat eats a piece of cheese on the kitchen floor.
Rice.
Rice.
Jane eats rice for lunch. How about you? Cookie.
Cookie.
Jane dips her cookie into the milk.
Yogurt.
Cheese.
Rice. Cookie.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Quiche is a type of pie made with eggs and cheese.
Pie.
Pie.
The pie is being cut into small pieces.
Noodles.
Noodles. Noodles are long and string-like and are made from rice or eggs.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Jane feeds her brother strawberry yogurt.
Cheese. Pie.
Noodles. Yogurt.
Oh, do you like to eat apples? Orange. Orange.
Orange.
We squeeze oranges to get juice to drink.
Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon. The lemon is yellow.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwi.
There are yellow and green kiwis. Apple.
Orange. Lemon.
Kiwi. Strawberry.
When strawberries are ripe, we go picking them.
Banana.
Bananas.
Banana.
To eat a banana, we need to peel off the skin first. Apple. Apple.
Apple.
Apples can be green or red.
Orange. Orange.
Orange. Would you like to drink orange juice? Strawberry.
Banana.
Apple. Orange.
Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday's new video.